If you want to connect your mobile or laptop to this printer without a wire or without any Wi-Fi connection in your house, then we will be using the Wi-Fi Direct option. Press the three dots to enter the main menu and then go to Network Setup, and then under Network select Wi-Fi and then set the device name. Note the device name here. You can come out and then go to network key, where you can actually set a password for this network so that only you have access to this printer. You can go to network config features and print these settings for your reference. We have now set up the printer for Wi-Fi direct printing. So to print, take your mobile or laptop, go to Wi-Fi settings and select the printer name, enter the password if required, and it will connect. Once it connects, you can just pick a document or photo and fire a print, and you will be amazed to see the quality of the print. I have just used A4 regular paper, but if you use a photo sheet or executive bond paper, the clarity will be much better.